Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to ChatGPT. So although you can't upload a PDF to ChatGPT, in this page that you're looking right here, you can do it. So what you gotta do is go to this page and upload a PDF. As you can see right here, it's really simple. I can't do it because I already reached the 3 maximum per day, but you can do also 3 per day. And you can upload a PDF document right here, and what it's going to do is going to look like this. It's basically the same that ChatGPT because it's made with the same program code. So it's really simple to do. You just have to upload it, and then you can ask questions. For example, you can ask him to make a resume and it's going to do it. So as you can see, it's really simple to do. If you have any questions or if you have any problem with this, you can leave it in the comments. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.